Life don't come with a tutorial, but every scar is XP. The question is, are you the hero, or just a side quest in your own story? Yeah. Every step feels random. Skills I never planned. Walking through the chaos, controller in my hand. Try to save the princess, heal the broken too, but who's gonna save me if I can't break through? Dreams like cutscenes, fast and unreal. Fighting for a crown I was never meant to steal. Every fall's a checkpoint, pain is the guide. I respond stronger, can't kill what's inside. I just wanna be the protagonist of my own life, not a shadow in the credits when the screen fades white. If face holding a pen, then I'll rewrite. No script, no change, this story's mine. I just wanna be the I just wanna be the Side characters talking, telling me my role, but their lines don't fit the fire in my soul. Helped 1,000 strangers, gave my light away, but the hero I ignore is the one I play. No cheat codes here, just hunger and pain. Level up in silence, diamonds made from rain. The plot keeps twisting, but I won't hide. The bars I face daily's the doubt inside. Maybe the princess was never real, maybe the treasure's just how I feel. But if I die trying, at least I'll know I was the main character in